Hey, what's up everyone? This is Easy Speeds and Feeds, and in this video I'll show you how to add levels in Mastercam. So here's a part. It's got a lot of clutter on it. All that wire is used for a reason, but it's all on the same level and it's a bit confusing what's what. So what we want to do is go to Levels tab, go into the number. All you do is write 2, give it a name. We'll call it wireframe. Now we'll select all the wireframe on the right click, move it to level 2, and then click the check. So now we just separated the solid from the wire. Now we'll keep going, type in 3, and we'll call it stock. We're going to click on our stock boundary, right click, and remove that to level 3. So now we just separated the stock from the wire. So it's still pretty cluttered. We're going to keep working until everything has its own level. Okay, level 4. Type in 4, and we'll type in profile plus holes. So that's just the 2D profile looking down on the part plus the holes. We'll separate that so we can mill around the part, or dynamic mill around the part, and just drill some holes. So just click on the wire we want. Click on the holes and counterbores. Right click. Move to level 4. Okay, so that's looking good. A little less cluttered. Level 5. We'll call it surface mod. If you watched our last video, we created that surface so we could run a surfacing toolpath over that without hitting the counterbores and without it plunging and doing all types of weird stuff. We'll select the surface, type in 5, click the check, and now that's on its own level. So finally, we want to take all the wireframe we used to construct this part, and we'll just call it level 6 build wire, and we will just select all of it. And we will move it to build wire. Okay. So things are looking a lot better. So there's just a solid all by itself is what we want. And then there's the wire for the solid. The stock. The profile with the holes. And as you see, you can activate whatever level you want. So you can just activate the surface mod or the stock, and whatever you need. So there's our short little video on how to add levels. You can use this strategy on almost any part. Subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you later. Thanks.